so after 1 hours of cooking it's ready.
Okay.
So try this. This is a savory soup with chicken. Let me know how you like
to
it.
try it. Okay. Wow. Oh, 天啊.
The natural sweetness from the barley, from the Chinese yam, from the Solomon seal rhizome,
Okay.
玉竹.
Do you actually mean that I can be like that too when I grow up? I can be like Yen? I can cook like Yen?
Of course. The beauty of using Chinese herbs, people always have the kind of wrong impression that it's supposed to be bitter, tastes like medicine, but it's not.
Oh, you know, like as Cantonese, I really love my soup. I don't know how to make them. So whenever I'm presented with soup, I just love it. You have something else as well?
Yes, the sweet dessert.
Okay, can I try the dessert? I'm just gonna put this down.
Okay. So
It's meant for me to try, right?
Yes.
And then I'm gonna judge not like judge, more like I'm gonna decide which one my wife would prefer. Because you know, like normally the ladies like sweet desserts more.
I've cooked this the same timing.
Well, actually, both are very nice. You know what? I will probably take this, and my wife would probably prefer this because it's sweet.
Very soothing for her discomfort.
In fact, both are good for my lungs, right?
Yes. So the only difference is the fresh ingredient. This is from pear, and that's from chicken.
Okay, that's the difference. Both are very, very nice. I love it so much.
So you can cook this for your child. It's really very suitable for children as well.
My baby.
When they grow up.
I think it's still a few years time. Maybe I just focus on my wife first. I definitely can serve my wife with this.
Definitely.
This particular sweet variation of the dish. I think she will love the chicken as well. Just that chicken might be hard to come by nowadays. Yeah.
You can also use pork. Any meat of your preference.
You are the perfect person to ask. So
pork ribs.
We can use replacements like pork ribs and
lean pork.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, so it's not the end of the road, guys. We can still use other meat for this particular variation. Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. So speaking of your wife, she's currently pregnant, and you're soon to be a daddy.
Yeah.
In less than 3 months.
I'm just gonna put this down. Yes, in 3 months. As of today's recording, 87 days. Yeah.
Wow. This tells a lot about Derek and how he's keeping really close track.
Yeah,
87 days.
We are really very excited as a couple, and so every single night we will probably it depends on what's the activity for the night, but sometimes we will end up, talking about, it's coming in 87 days, for example.
Yeah, how's the preparation?
It's going well. As you can see, you're now in my place. I'll show you the nursery later on. We have started decorating the nursery a little bit. Some of the stuff will come in time to come. Yeah.
That's so fun. I always hear my guys' friends like buying stroller is like choosing a car for their baby.
Exactly. So the fun part about I guess nowadays being a dad, besides all the pregnant stuff that most fathers might be unfamiliar with, but when it comes to things like shopping for pram, shopping for cord, shopping for example, what's that called? The baby monitor or sterilizer.
The electronic stuff.
It's actually a dad's duty, because we will go and do research. There are YouTube channels nowadays, if you all don't know,
Yeah, hearing all this, so how do you envision what kind of father you will be?
I think I am probably going to be a pretty hands-on dad, and we are lucky in a sense that my work nature doesn't do allow me to spend more time even after my baby is out.
Arrangements.
Yeah, especially even though I'm preparing for my concert now, but I am very clear that after the concert I'm gonna just take it easy, and so that I can actually give my full attention to my wife and my baby that's coming our way.
Yeah. So speaking of which, we are right inside his studio in the middle of the house.
Yeah.
So cool is this? And his concert, your concert is in July.
July.
Yeah, I've bought tickets already. And
really?
yeah, it's not easy. I think the cat one, the seats are almost taken out. I had difficulty a couple of weeks ago already.
Getting the best seats.
The better ones.
Okay. Yeah, and now we're just trying to focus on the concert, trying to juggle this, also juggle
Wow,
the pregnancy at the same time. Yeah.
So how do you prepare for the concert? I mean, I'm curious, what is needed?
Actually, it's a lot of work, especially this time, this concert in particular. I really wanted to portray a certain kind of message for anyone who's coming. They are supposed to go into the concert and come out realizing, something. And the message in particular is about the phase of growing up, and
the journey.
Yes, exactly. For example, right now, I'm moving to the next stage of my life. So I want my audience to sort of like see me on stage and see themselves in me, through me, and realize that, hey, I've listened to Derek's songs for a few years now, and I've also grown a lot myself. Yeah, so that's the point of the concert, and because I want to portray that kind of message, there's the visuals, the dance, the music, even I have to
chronograph.
Yeah, choreograph the whole dance move with my dance choreographer and my music director. I have to rearrange some of the songs so that it actually fits the theme, and it's just a lot of work, sleeping very late at night. But at the same time, I have to keep that balance because I want to make sure that my wife is not,
being neglected
through this process of preparing for the concert. So just to make sure we keep that balance.
Yeah, Derek is a very loving and supportive husband that I've experienced.
I try. Yeah, I try my best lah.
Yeah, I'm really excited and looking forward to his concert. Hearing what he has shared is like it's going to be very emotional, feelings kind of evoking, kind of
it's going to be exceptionally personal for not just for myself but for anyone who's coming, because it's not just for a concert about me. It's really a concert about
everyone
growing
up.
Yeah.
Looking forward.
Yeah.
And apart from that, Father's Day is also around the corner.
Yes.
Yeah, so keen to ask, like, what will it be different for this year for you?
This year is slightly different. My wife actually got me my first Father's Day
Uni.
gift, right?
From
not Uni. Actually, Uni should get me something. I can't think of it. Yeah. Yeah, but she's the mascot of the house, get to live rent-free and free food.
She's so cute.
Yeah, but my wife got me a Father's Day present this year.
Oh, already?
Which is kind of nice. It's my first
so
present
sweet.
as a father, because we love Lego so much. So and I love plants so much. So she got me this succulent-looking Lego set, which is kind of awesome.
Yeah. You know what? We have also prepared a Father's Day gift for you.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Oh, wow, like,
it is a
just when I say Lego and
mini Lego guitar.
Awesome. Can I shred it now?
So you have got your guitar here, and this will be for the mini junior Derek.
I don't think you can buy this anywhere else. This is custom made.
It is.
Right? It is custom made, right?
And here, Derek Ho.
Wow. Thank you so much. I'm going to put this there. Because to be honest, I find that all these awards are making me, it doesn't bring joy anymore. I want to put more toys there. It makes me happier, I think.
Really, when you are a father, when you have a baby coming, it changed the whole perspective and your interest.
Yeah, you're a mother yourself, right? So you'd rather have put up your kids' drawings.
Yeah, so this day is all evolving around them and enjoy that.
Fun. I'm really looking forward to that. But first, I'm going to just display this there and make some space for my future baby, for my baby's drawing or whatnot.
Yeah, okay.
Thank you so much, Ian.
We'd like to seize this chance to also wish you happy Father's Day, and to all the fathers out there.
Thank you so much.
Happy Father's Day.
I can't imagine that someone is saying that to me, but it's awesome. Happy Father's Day, everyone.